True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I am on Main Street, guys. I'm gonna take you onto Villa Road in Mandeville, Manchester. And you know, on Villa Road we have the JPS office. So guys, now I'm on Villa Road. Can you see the traffic in the morning, early morning traffic on Villa Road, guys? So it's about 8:22 a.m. on Villa Road. It's a lot of traffic. So on Villa Road, guys, you will find the JPS office. So guys, right on your left right here, this is the JPS office, guys. So keep on watching. So guys, you all can leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about our beautiful island Mandeville, our beautiful parish Manchester, guys, and our beautiful island Jamaica. Tell me what you think about this place, guys. On your right, you have the Villa Road Primary School, guys. If you make the right turn, we'll take you all to Villa Road Primary School. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself anywhere now watch my people, yeah, or abroad, and big up on yourself. Yeah, man, this tour is all about Mandeville, Manchester, guys. So guys, if you make the right turn, it'll take you all to the Carchet Road, guys. Yeah, man, if all will go to the DC school, if you make the right turn, it'll take you all to DC. So guys, I am now on the Caledonia Road, guys. So we are now on 66 Caledonia Road, guys. So guys, if you want your jerk chicken on the grill, you can check this place right here, guys, now open. And also if you need your fruits, so this is where you can come and get your fresh fruits, guys, in Mandeville, Manchester, guys. So keep on watching, guys. So I'm gonna make the left turn. So on your left, this is where you have the Knoxford Express, guys. So the Knoxford Express, city to city in comfort and style. If you want to travel different parishes, different location by a bus, you can come right here at the Knoxford Express, guys. So tell me if you learned something about beautiful, beautiful Mandeville, guys. So guys, I'm gonna make the left turn, will take us onto Levy Lane. So on Levy Lane, that's where you find the examination depot, guys. If you want your car to pass for the fitness, this is where you find the examination depot, guys. So I'm gonna make a left turn, guys. Will take us all to the Island Traffic Authority, guys. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.